Welcome everybody. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook fan page and then link your Facebook fan page to your Google Adsense account and earn money. And to do this, you also need to have a YouTube, sign up to YouTube, and you need to have a YouTube account and at least one video, So let's get started. Okay, so here is my Facebook account. We want to create a fan page. Hit this button by the right side of your Facebook interface. Choose create page. All right. Then these are different categories where you can select any platform depending on your business or what your fan page is all about. Okay, as for me, my fan page will be for course or community. So, course or community. All right. I think I should. Okay, any of this can go depending on what you actually want the fan page to be all about. Okay, let's say I want to go into education, the company, organization, or institution. I want to go into education. So let me see. I will select education or any category that falls between your business. It's like that in all these areas also. But here I'm going to be choosing education, and then I'll give my group a name. I'll say be informed. Okay, then I'll choose get started. Right. So be informed. The page is being created and then we need to update it. So now let's add a cover photo for it. Go here. Maybe I have a picture from my system which I would like to use. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this photo for my cover photo. Here you can also, depending on what you want to do with your fan page, you can also get amazing graphics, place it on your fan page. It goes a long way to, as a cover photo, it goes a long way to attract people to your fan page. But in this case, I want to use this fan page for education. So I want to be giving lectures to people on certain things. So I just want to present my face and just look gentle, that kind of a thing, like a teacher or something. So that is saved. Let's take a profile picture. Okay, let's take a profile picture, and let's say, let's say we use this as profile picture. Where is it? Let's take this as profile picture. And then here we can position this and crop the photo to set it up. It's taking a little time. Okay, good. You see that? It's saved. Okay, but I want to change this cover photo. So let me just change it again. I want to use this one with my friends and in Istanbul, Java here. Yeah, good. Okay, so save. So be informed. That's the name of my page. So I need to add a short description about what my page is all about. So be informed, get news, and know what is happening within your, or let's just say what is happening, okay, within your surrounding, okay. I've just saved that. All right, so here we have the fan page created, and the next is we need to we need to link our Facebook fan page to Google Adsense and start getting money. So here we go back, we click on the main Facebook page, go to the search box, select static HTML, Thunder Penny. You see that? Okay, it's loading. Say use app. It opens in a new tab, use app. Alright, so we wait for it. So here we go to add static HTML to a page. We click on it. Add static HTML to a page. We're going to try that again. Add static HTML to a page. Okay, good. The internet was a bit slow, so when you click on add static HTML to a page, it will bring you here. So when you click on this place, you will see the already created page, because you need to create the fan page before you're going to static HTML to Thunder Penny. So when you get to this area and you click this, for Facebook pages, you will get the page you've already created. Okay, so we just created be informed. So we hit on it, we select it, add page tab. So we click on add page tab and we wait. Okay, so here is it. We are good to go. The page is being created and linked to the application that gives us the ability to connect to Google Adsense and get paid. So how do we get paid right now? So we say set up tab. Okay, it gets you to this place. So next you need a Google you need a Google Adsense account. So what you do here is let's do something because I'm doing this for those who are complete beginners, for you not to get confused. So you come to a new tab in Tele and search for Google Adsense. Sign into your Google Adsense. sign into your Google AdSense and sign into your Google AdSense. Sign into your Google AdSense. Go to my ads. Go to my ads, and then click new ad unit. New ad unit. Then here, give a name for your ad. Maybe get info or info Istanbul. Okay, then save and get code. Copy the code, click on it, and it's highlighted. Use Ctrl C to copy the code, and then come back here, delete all of this, then paste the code you have gotten from Google AdSense, then sign into your YouTube account. Sign into your YouTube account. This is my YouTube channel, and then just get a video to add your welcome. Get your video to add to your Facebook AdSense code together, where the AdSense code will be displayed. So here you want to get the copy embedded code. You right click and copy embedded code, or you can do it in another way. You just scroll down, go to share embedded. You see the embedded code is there. Use Ctrl C to copy. It's already highlighted. That's pretty cool. You can even say show more. Okay, so this is how to do this currently in this 2017. So now you've copied the embedded code, so go back to underpenny static HTML area, and then here give about 3 spacings using the enter key, and then paste the embedded code for the video. Okay, here you can say, before you save and publish, come to this place, clean up this one, data add slot. You click on it and leave only the number. If you don't do it like this, your ad will not show. Okay, so here also you clean up the CA, pop something, and you say save and publish. All saved. Enable on mobile devices. Done. Preview. You see the ad displaying here, so you say done. Alright, so we are good to go. So when you go back right now to your Facebook page, be informed. You go back to our Facebook page for us to check if our work was actually successful. Alright, go to welcome, and you see that. You see that. Here is it, and here's our art, and here is the video. Look at this. Here is the video. Alright, here is the video. So here is the video that we selected. So here you see it here, and the ad right above it. The ad right above it, you see. So that's it. And you want to view if a visitor comes to this tab. View tab. Open visitor mode. If a visitor comes to your Facebook fan page, once you send requests and they hit your Facebook fan page and you get themselves into this tab, you earn money. Okay, so this is how a visitor views your fan page. This is how it appears. So you can just close it and go back. If you want to add more videos, okay, you can go to Edit tab, and then still on the same area you can click here. Sorry, you can enter, create a space for more videos, go back to your YouTube, maybe look for another video which you may want to upload. Maybe let me also upload this one as well. I gotta pause it because I gotta pause it. Okay, we can also right click, is another method. Just copy the embedded code, or you do it this way, just like I showed you here. Share embedded code, Ctrl C to copy the embedded code, and then rush back to static HTML, use Ctrl V to paste, and then the art is still there, 2 videos now. Save and publish. Preview. You see that's 2 videos, 1, 2, and then you see the art displaying here, so you can see done. And then when you go back to your and now when you go back to when you go back to your Facebook, so let's just save that. So let's say Facebook, you right click here, be informed, is our page, your pages, be informed. So when you go back, and for us to check if the AdSense stuff was successful, we come to welcome tab, you see that 2 videos, 1, 2, all right, just like we uploaded from here. You see the art showing on top of this place. This is the video we just added now, you see. So this is how it works. If you have any questions regarding this subject, do not hesitate to ask me, and then please kindly leave me a comment if you found this video very helpful to you. Okay, kindly leave me a comment, and more videos will be coming on solutions and many problems online. So feel free to leave me a comment, hit the subscribe button, okay, to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you watching. See you next time. Thank you very much. Bye.